Another thing you might see along with those numbers for the rebar is this with the lines and OL, which means overlap, okay? That means we have such a long span of wall that, you know, one piece of 20-foot of rebar will not fit there. We need multiple pieces. So what code calls for is an overlap of 2 foot. So we started there, went down. I know that my 20-foot, my first 20-footer ends at the end of this line, okay? So what that means is when I do my next measurement for my next piece of rebar, I need to measure from this line and go over, so I get that 2 foot of overlap. So I, you know, am good with code. And then again, wall's so long, so those 2 pieces of rebar, it just ain't cutting it. So from that end to down here, that second 20-footer ends here. So now for my final measurement of the wall, I would go here to the end, which it looks like it's about 4 foot.